welcome back to my channel and welcome to another foundation review. I think the last foundation review I did was more than 2 years ago now. Anyways, in today's video I'll be reviewing the Rare Beauty foundation by Selena Gomez. So while I apply the foundation, I'll give you guys a little bit more information about the foundation itself. You are supposed to shake it up to evenly distribute the pigment in the bottle and then dot the foundation onto the forehead, cheeks, chin, and in my case the nose as well. This foundation has a shade range of 48 shades, and when I did the shade finder quiz, the website told me that my shade was 330N, and when I went to Sephora, because Rare Beauty is exclusive to Sephora, to see the 330N color in real life, it was too dark for my skin tone, so I went with 250W, which is still not my ideal shade, but the shade that was lighter, which was 240W, had yellow undertones to it, and then that would have just made me look like an Oompa Loompa. So that's the tea on that. The next tea, if you will, is that I'm not a huge fan of the packaging because the matte white cover is gonna get dirty very easily. I mean, I love the doe foot applicator that it comes with. That is mess free, but when I open and close the bottle, there's oil that starts coming out. So that, my friend, is very messy. Now let's move on to the claims. On the website it says it's cruelty-free, paraben-free, it's vegan, and it's non-comedogenic, which means it won't block your pores, and it is suitable for sensitive skin. Next, they say it is a weightless smooth glide formula that dries to a natural skin-like finish that will not only boost your natural glow, but it will also even out your skin tone. It will hide the look of pores without any caking. So in my experience, it does dry down to a natural skin-like finish. It evened out my skin tone in just one layer, and I put two more layers on just to hide my pores. This is a light coverage foundation. I mean, it says that right on the box that you can build coverage, and as I just mentioned, I did put on 3 layers of the foundation to get the coverage that I like, which is medium to full. If you're enjoying this review and getting value out of it, please take a moment to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And now let's move on to the wear test. So on the website they say that the foundation is supposed to last all day, so I'll check in after 2 hours to see how the foundation is holding up. Hey guys, this is my 2-hour check-in, well, more like 2.5 hours since I put the foundation on, and I am loving the way this foundation is sitting on my face. It's giving me this nice natural glow, as it says on the website, without being too oily, and it's not caking up at all. So now I'll check back in at the end of the day. So I've been wearing the foundation for 7 hours now, and I figured it's a good time to do the end of day check-in. And from afar, the foundation doesn't look oily. The 3 layers of foundation that I did put on, it doesn't feel too much. In fact, it doesn't even feel like I have foundation on, so it does have the natural skin-like finish to it even after 7 hours. But when you look up close, the foundation has started to come off from around my nose, and it's getting cakey around my eyes, my nose, and my mouth. I also had to step out of the house for a hot second there, and when I was wearing the mask, nothing seems to have transferred onto the mask. What you see on the mask is just my lipstick and the bronzer. So my final thoughts on the foundation are, I love that it's transfer proof, I love the natural skin-like finish, and that it just takes 1 layer of foundation to even out my skin tone. But what I'm not a huge fan of, or even a teeny tiny fan of, is the packaging. The matte white cover is just it's a no from me, because it's gonna get dirty so easily and it's just gonna look gross. The other thing that I found weird is the oil that keeps coming out of the bottle when I open it. Have any of you guys even experienced that? If you have, let me know in the comments down below. And the last thing that I don't like about the foundation is I personally don't find that it is long lasting, because I did wear it just for 7 hours and it has started to come off from around my nose and it has been getting cakey around my face. So anyways, that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please smash the like button, subscribe to my channel for more beauty related videos, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload my next video. Till then, bye bye.